Hello and welcome to a short review of the LEGO set 4712 Micro Rocket Launchpad. It contains 325 pieces and is for 9+. The package contains 2 booklets and a sticker bow. It contains all these models. They are very fun to build. I had 1 hour to build all them. And it contains this little hover vehicle for moving the planets and these little sweet minifigures. It contains a starter ramp, a rocket which can be mounted on this platform, a mobile space center or a little space center with another little minifigure, a lunar or Mars vehicle with wheels tied to the ground, no matter what it is. And this, you wonder maybe, is for mobile starter platform for the rocket. It can be mounted and then started. It was fun to build. I recommend to get this if you can somewhere, and see you in the next time in the next review, and have fun until then. Bye bye.